What happens when two unstoppable forces meet in the wild? The African savanna, a land of immense beauty and brutal challenges. Here, life thrives, but survival demands strength and dominance.
Meet the dominant male white rhino, a living tank weighing thousands of pounds. Its presence commands respect, its territory fiercely defended.
And then there is the alpha male Cape buffalo, the embodiment of raw, untamed power. Known as Black Death, these animals fear nothing. They defend their herd with a ferocity unmatched.
Two titans, each at the pinnacle of their food chain, each claiming dominion.
The dominant male white rhino's territory is vast, spanning kilometers of the savanna.
Boundaries are meticulously drawn, communicated through scent and sight. The alpha male Cape buffalo and its herd are constantly on the move, seeking fresh grazing. Inevitably, their paths will cross. Resources are finite. A change in the wind, a subtle shift in the air, alerts the dominant male white rhino. The buffalo herd, driven by thirst, approaches a critical watering hole.
This watering hole is a vital part of the dominant male white rhino's core territory. An unspoken challenge hangs in the scorching air. Two forces on a collision course, drawn by the same life-giving resource. The alpha male Cape buffalo senses the lone giant ahead. Neither animal is known for backing down. The herd's safety depends on the alpha male Cape buffalo's unwavering resolve.
The rhino's primary weapon, a dagger of solid keratin.
The buffalo's defense, an impenetrable bone shield.
The dominant male white rhino issues a clear warning. This is its domain.
The alpha male Cape buffalo answers with a challenge of its own. It will not yield.
The rhino's immense bulk is a testament to its power.
The alpha male Cape buffalo prepares its defenses.
The ground trembles under the rising tension.
A deadly game of intimidation begins. A mock charge, a test of nerve.
But the alpha male Cape buffalo stands firm, unflinching.
The rhino's roar reverberates across the plains. The herd shows signs of unease, but their leader remains defiant.
The warning phase is over. Intentions are clear.
The alpha male Cape buffalo braces itself, preparing for the inevitable collision.
Suddenly, the dominant male white rhino commits. Full speed ahead.
Thousands of pounds of raw, accelerating power. The alpha male Cape buffalo stands its ground, an immovable object. The gap narrows. The air crackles with impending violence. Two titans. One collision. Who will prevail? The collision is a thunderous testament to the power of these titans. Neither gives an inch. The ground trembles beneath their colossal weight. The struggle for dominance begins, a brutal test of strength and will. Horns locked, an unbreakable bond of raw power is forged in this moment. The rhino's sheer mass and power begin to assert themselves, slowly gaining ground. The buffalo, unyielding, anchors itself, refusing to be moved easily. The earth itself rebels under the intensity of their battle, dust rising. This is a primal dance, a display of unadulterated strength, a clash of titans. Every ounce of their being is committed to this brutal, exhausting confrontation. The rhino employs its formidable horn not just for ramming, but for leverage. The buffalo's defensive skill is evident, deflecting the rhino's strategic moves. The sheer physical demand of this combat is staggering, pushing them to limits. This is a battle not just of brawn, but of an unyielding, primal will to dominate. A world reduced to the immediate threat, the formidable opponent before them. The relentless pressure of the rhino's charge, a brute force to be met head-on. Every muscle, every sinew is engaged in this Herculean feat of strength. A momentary stalemate, a breath held as neither gives way to the other's might. Beyond strength, this is a test of stamina, of who can endure the longest. The buffalo's anchor, a testament to its stubborn refusal to yield, holds fast. The rhino's foundation, a fortress of power, driving it forward relentlessly. In their eyes, the primal instinct, the ancient drive to survive and conquer. This is raw, untamed nature, a spectacle rarely witnessed in its full fury. A subtle shift, a momentary advantage gained, the tide of battle ever fluid. The air thickens with the evidence of their struggle, a swirling vortex of power. Nature's grand theater, where power reigns and only the strongest prevail.